Hey YouTube land, I'm doing a real quick follow-up here on my stones that I made a couple years ago now. We're on summer number 2 and we've been through 2 Michigan winters with these and they have held up so well. In fact, I like them better now than ever. The colors have maintained. Now there's a little, dirt and sticks and stuff that's gotten in there, and we've had no issues at all with how these have held up. No cracks. We've loved them. In fact, the colors to me are even better, and as you can see, yeah, these have really held up. So I know many people have said, oh, that'll never last. But I'm here to tell you, they have lasted, and Michigan winters are no joke. So there you go. Again, these are quite thick. They're easily 2 to 2.5 inches thick a piece, and we definitely use them. My one and only comment is that dug down fire pit is not great. Yep, people could trip and fall, so eventually we'll build that up again, but for now we're happy. So thanks everyone for your comments and thoughts, and hope you like the quick update. Bye.